Good morning, I'm Nick Carraway with TTX News. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a winter storm watch for Metro Atlanta. Within the next 48 hours, the Metro Atlanta area can expect freezing rain, sleet, and snow accumulations of 3 to 6 inches as the storm system passes over the area. A cold front moving into the area ahead of the system will drop temperatures to an evening low of 15 degrees, creating extremely hazardous conditions. Travel will become difficult during the day, especially during rush hour with roadways and bridges likely to become icy and snow-covered. The area can also expect to see a major impact on emergency services and regional public transit systems for the duration of the winter storm. There's also a possibility of widespread power outages. The Georgia Department of Transportation has advised to avoid driving during the storm unless absolutely necessary, or to postpone travel until daylight hours when hazardous road conditions such as black ice may be visible. Stay tuned right here to TTX News for additional updates. Stay safe out there.